In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll be able to create a clean, eye-catching outline around a photo using simple tools built right into the app. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. If you're using a browser, make sure you're on the official Adobe Express site. Once the app loads, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures you can access your existing projects, upload images, and save your work without interruptions. On the left side of the interface, you'll see options like Your Stuff and Start New Design. If you already have a project, you can open it from Your Stuff. Today, we'll start fresh, so go ahead and click Start New Design. Pick a canvas size that suits your project, social post, story, or a custom size, whatever you need for your final output. Now let's build the outline. On the left panel, click Add Content. This is your hub for bringing in shapes and media. Next, choose Element. From there, click Add Square. A square shape will appear on your canvas. Drag the square into position and use the corner handles to resize it. Think of this square as the border that will frame your photo, so make it slightly larger than where your photo will sit. Keep it centered and leave a consistent margin to create that clean outline look. A quick tip: use a color for the square that contrasts well with your photo and background so the outline stands out. With the shape in place, let's bring in your image. Again, on the left side, click Add Content, then click Media followed by Photo. You can drag in a sample photo from the library or upload one from your computer. Once it's on the canvas, position the photo inside the square. Use the handles to resize the image so there's a neat, even border visible all the way around. If the border looks too thick or too thin, adjust either the square or the photo until the spacing feels right. Take a moment to fine-tune. Zoom in for precision, use the canvas guides to help with alignment, and try to maintain consistent spacing on all sides. Holding Shift while dragging a corner can help scale proportionally, which keeps things looking professional. And that's it. You opened Adobe Express, started a new design, added a square from elements, brought in your photo from media, and resized both until your outline looked clean and balanced. Save your project when you're happy with it and you're ready to share.